Deadlift is called the king of all exercises because it builds full body strength, power, and muscle all at once. It targets your legs, glutes, back, core, traps, and even your grip. But while it's one of the most effective lifts, it's also one of the most dangerous if done with poor form. That's why learning the correct deadlift technique is non-negotiable if you want results without injury. To begin, stand with your feet hip-width apart and position the barbell directly over the middle of your feet. This is important because the bar must stay balanced over your center of gravity throughout the lift. Your toes should point slightly outward, but don't force an extreme angle. Keep it natural. Your weight should be evenly distributed across your entire foot, not on your toes and not on your heels. This balance is what allows you to generate maximum power safely. Next, bend down by pushing your hips back, not by squatting straight down. Think of closing a door with your hips. As you hinge, keep your shins close to the bar without pushing it forward. Grip the bar just outside your knees so your arms can stay vertical. You can use a double overhand grip if you're a beginner, and make sure your grip is firm but controlled. Your arms must remain completely straight at all times. They are not meant to lift the weight. They act like hooks connecting your body to the bar. Bending your arms increases injury risk and reduces power. Before lifting, focus on your posture. Keep your spine neutral, chest lifted, and shoulders slightly back. Avoid rounding or overarching your lower back, as both put unnecessary stress on your spine. Your head and neck should stay neutral, with your eyes looking forward or slightly down. Now take a deep breath into your belly and brace your core tightly, as if someone is about to punch you in the stomach. This core brace protects your spine, improves stability, and allows you to lift heavier weights safely. As you begin the lift, push the floor away with your feet instead of yanking the bar upward. The bar should travel in a straight vertical line, staying close to your shins and thighs the entire time. Keep the bar almost brushing your legs. Your hips and shoulders must rise together. If your hips shoot up first, the weight is too heavy or your form is breaking down. Every rep should be smooth, controlled, and powerful. At the top of the movement, stand tall with your chest up and squeeze your glutes hard. Do not lean back or overextend your lower back. Lock out the lift by standing straight, not by arching. To lower the bar, push your hips back first, while keeping the bar close to your legs. Once the bar passes your knees, bend your knees and place it back on the floor with full control. Reset your position before every rep to maintain perfect form. Common deadlift mistakes include rounding the back, jerking the bar off the floor, letting the bar drift away from the body, and lifting ego weight. Beginners should focus on mastering technique before increasing weight. Stick to 3 to 4 sets of 5 to 8 reps, warm up properly, and always prioritize form over numbers. When performed correctly, the deadlift builds not just muscle, but strength. Master the movement, respect the weight, and stay patient with your progress. Strength is built over time, rep by rep, with consistency and correct form. Don't chase numbers, chase mastery. If you commit to the process, the results will come: stronger lifts, a better physique, and a stronger mindset. This is Bodybuilding India. Hit the subscribe button and share with your friends who needs to fix their deadlifts.